Annyeong! And hello! Welcome back to Kodomo Kids. My name is Courtney, and this month, the whole month of December, we're exploring South Korea. Come along with us! This week we're going to learn a little bit of the Baby Shark song sung in Korean. So let's turn those listening ears on and hear how it goes. Agi Sangeo do 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 do, Agi Sangeo do 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 do, Agi Sangeo do 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 do, Agi Sangeo. Oma Sangeo do 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 do, Oma Sangeo do 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 do, Oma Sangeo do 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 do, Oma Sangeo. Appa Sangeo do 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 do, Appa Sangeo do 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 do, Appa Sangeo do 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 do, Appa Sangeo. Suyong do 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 do, Suyong do 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 do, Suyong do 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 do, Suyong. Agi Sangeo. Great! Now let's break that down and learn it together. So first we need to learn the Korean words for baby and shark. So baby shark is Agi Sangeo. Agi Sangeo. Great! So Agi means baby and Sangeo means shark. Can we try singing that a little bit slowly? Ready? Agi Sangeo do 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 do, Agi Sangeo do 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 do, Agi Sangeo do 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 do, Agi Sangeo. Great! And because it's the little shark or the baby shark, we just use teeny tiny finger motions to show his little teeth biting. All right, now we need to learn mama shark. All right, so the word for mother is oma, and then the word for shark is sangeo. So we have oma sangeo do 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 do, oma sangeo do 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 do, oma sangeo do 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 do, oma sangeo. Great, and because it's the mother shark, it's got a little bit of a bigger bite with our hands. All right, should we try those two together? Ready? Here we go, starting with the baby. Agi Sangeo do 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 do, Agi Sangeo do 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 do, Agi Sangeo do 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 do, Agi Sangeo. Oma Sangeo do 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 do, Oma Sangeo do 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 do, Oma Sangeo do 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 do, Oma Sangeo. Great. Now we're ready for the papa shark. So dad in Korean is appa. All right, so we make it appa sangeo, and our arms are going to go a little bit bigger because of his big bite. Appa sangeo do 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 do, appa sangeo do 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 do, appa sangeo do 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 do, appa sangeo. Great. Can we try all of that from the beginning? So baby, mother, then father. Ready? Agi Sangeo do 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 do, Agi Sangeo do 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 do, Agi Sangeo do 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 do, Agi Sangeo. Oma Sangeo do 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 do, Oma Sangeo do 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 do, Oma Sangeo do 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 do, Oma Sangeo. Appa Sangeo do 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 do, Appa Sangeo do 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 do, Appa Sangeo do 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 do, Appa Sangeo. Great! Now, after we have the baby, the mother, and the father, we're going to swim away. So the word for swimming is suyong. Suyong do 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 do, suyong do 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 do, suyong do 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 do, suyong. Great. And then at the very end, we're just going to open up our hands and we'll end by saying baby shark or Agi Sangeo. Excellent. Should we try it all the way from the top? So remember, we start with baby and then mama, right? And then papa. And then we swim away, suyong. All right, let's try it. Ready? Agi Sangeo do 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 do, Agi Sangeo do 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 do, Agi Sangeo do 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 do, Agi Sangeo. Oma sango do 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 do. Oma sango do 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 do. Oma sango do 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 do. Oma sango. Appa sango do 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 do. Appa sango do 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 do. Appa sango do 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 do. Appa sango. Suyong do 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 do. Suyong do 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 do. Suyong do 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 do. Suyong. Agi Sangeo. Great job, everyone! Thanks so much for tuning in this week. Join us again next week for more from Kodomo Kids. Bye, everyone. Annyeonghaseyo.